Yeah, woke up in the frost where the savanna bites, chasing down the flavor through the northern lights. I'm packing up the heat, yeah, I'm bringing the flair, from the frozen tundra to the desert air. Steal lifestyle, yeah, we keep it refined, leaving all the bland and the boring behind. It's so juicy, it's so satisfying. Got the world on a plate, no need for denying. From the coldest savanna to the globe in a spin. One bite of this, let the feast begin, yeah. SD lifestyle, keep it bold, keep it true. The recipe's fire, and it's waiting for you. Throw the spice in the pot, let it simmer and go. Taking secret ingredients everywhere I go. It's a rhythm in the kitchen, a crunch in the beat. Cooking up the magic, yeah, the ultimate treat. From the ice-crusted plains to the city neon light, we're serving up a masterpiece every single night. Forget the compromise, we're leveling up to a different size. Crispy, golden, dripping with soul. Feel your spirit, feel the bowl. It's so juicy, yeah, it's so satisfying. Got the world on a plate, no need for deny. From the coldest savanna to the globe in a spin. One bite of this, let the feast begin. Yes, the lifestyle, keep it bold, keep it true. Recipe's fire, and it's waiting for you. Yes, the world is hungry, let's eat. Juicy, satisfying, always on repeat.
It's a vibe in the kitchen tonight. It's the lifestyle, you know how we do it. Turn the heat up, let's go. Hey, yeah. Step in the kitchen, apron on tight. Got the spices lined up, yeah, we feeling alright. No stress, no pressure, just the flavor in the air. See lifestyle cooking, showing everyone we care. Chop, chop, sizzle, hear the pan beat. Turning simple ingredients to something so sweet. From the stove to the plate, man, the color is bold. I'm dropping secret recipes, stories untold. Still lifestyle, oh, we cooking up a storm. Keeping bellies full, keeping spirits nice and warm. From the YouTube screen straight into your home. Plus delicious meals, yeah, you're never alone. Oh yeah, grab your spoon, let the flavor take control. The lifestyle, we serving up the soul. Yeah, serving up the soul. Yeah, serving up the soul. See the color on the plate, look like art, look like gold. It's a masterclass vibe if the truth must be told. Don't worry about the prep, I'll show you how it's done. Making tasty, satisfying meals is so much fun. Hit the bell, subscribe, yeah, join the family. We leveling up the menu, keep it spicy and healthy. Whether fried, stewed or baked to perfection. See, lifestyle is your kitchen connection. Add a little pepper, shake it. Add a little love, take it. Every bite is a blessing coming from above. No gatekeeping here, I'm giving you the key. Learn the exclusive way, come and cook with me. Still lifestyle, still lifestyle. Oh, we gon' get up a storm. Keeping bellies full, keeping spirits nice and warm. From the YouTube screen straight into your home. Best delicious meals, yeah, you're never alone. Oh yeah, grab your spoon, let the flavor take control. Still lifestyle, we serving up the soul. Yeah, serving up the soul. Yeah, serving up the soul. Yeah, yeah. It's a lifestyle, baby. Still lifestyle. Too delicious, too satisfying. Keep that fire burning.
From the frost on the plains to the heat in your pan, Steel lifestyle brings the best.
See you in the next video. Let's eat.